Hello and welcome to this tool about micro agents, and it's a great way to get more out of your tools that you're already using. For example, you connect this tool to your Google Calendar or even your Notion documents, and from there you can combine everything in one fellow swoop and use this to interact with the AI systems. For example, it's really cool if you can actually combine the data from your Slack system, your Google Drive, and also your Calendly and Notion. And the AI can interact with all these data points and create one output based on that. Whereas otherwise you would have to go to each of these tools, read information, and then based on that make conclusions. This tool allows you to combine all these data points and get an output immediately. So I think it's really cool to get the most out of your data because it's easy to forget about certain data points or documents, and this tool allows you to get a quick answer about everything that's in your data set. And as you can see, you can get started for free, so definitely something that is worth a look if your team uses any of these tools or multiple of them and wants to get the most out of it. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.